Welcome students. Let us discuss a very interesting question from the topic section formula of coordinate geometry. This is question number 2 from exercise 7.2 of NCERT book Standard 10. Here question is, find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. What is trisection? Let us make it clear with the help of a simple figure, a simple diagram. Suppose AB is here any line segment, then 2 points P and Q which divides the line segment in three equal parts. Then point P and Q are dividing the line segment in 3 equal parts, means trisection is taking place here, isn't it? This is called trisection, means dividing into 3 equal parts. Coordinates of 2 points are given. So let us suppose that this is point A and this is point B, and also let us suppose that P as having coordinate xy and Q has having coordinate x dash y dash. So by the section formula we had already discussed in the previous video that coordinates of a point which divides a line segment internally in the ratio m:n is given by this formula. xy is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, and my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is called section formula. We have already discussed. So we will apply this formula here to find coordinates of 2 points P and Q which are trisecting the line segment AB. Correct? Here the location or position of A, P, Q are not real because here coordinates are some positive coordinates, some negative coordinates. So that point can be plotted with the help of axis system only, with the help of x-axis and y-axis. Just we are considering it for the sake of convenience. Correct? So let us find here xy, which is coordinate of P, using this formula. So in this case, if you are taking point P, then what will be m:n here? This is point P. So this is one part, this is 2 part. AP by BP, isn't it? m:n means this is AP by BP. So AP is 1 part and BP is 2 part. So in this case m:n, this is 1:2. Correct? So mx2 plus nx1. Here for the sake of convenience you take 4 and -1 as x1 y1 and this one as x2 y2. Then you can apply this formula very conveniently. So let us find coordinates xy of the point P. Formula is x is mx2 plus nx1. M is 1 into x2 is -2. This is mx2 plus nx1. M is 2 here into x1 is 4 divided by m plus n means 1 plus 2. Similarly, y coordinates my2 plus ny1. M is 1 into y2 is -3 my2 plus ny1. N is 2 and y1 is -1 divided by m plus n means 1 plus 2. Correct? Let us simplify it. 1 minus 2, that is -2 plus 8 divided by 3, and -3 and -2. This is -3 -2 by 3, and this is equal to 6 by 3, and this is minus 5 by 3. So this is equal to 2 and minus 5 by 3. This is the value of x and y coordinates of the point P here, first point. Correct? This is point P. Similarly, we can find coordinates. So here, this is the answer. Okay, this is the coordinates of first point P. So this is the answer. We had to get another answer also, coordinates of this point Q. We have to find another answer also, coordinates of point Q. Here we are having two options for this point Q. Either we can use this section formula, or in the previous video we have seen how to get the coordinates of midpoints. We are getting here coordinates of point P and coordinates of point B. Already we have supposed here point Q is midpoints. So PQ is equal to BQ. Ratio is 1:1. So either use this formula, section formula, for finding coordinates of Q in the ratio m:n is 2:1, or you can take midpoint. Q is midpoint of PB. So as Q is midpoint of PB, coordinate of Q that we are supposing x1 y1 is equal to midpoint formula we have discussed, that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2, where x1 y1 are coordinates of this point and x2 y2 are coordinates of this point. So we can get x dash y dash here very easily. So this is mean of x coordinates, mean of y coordinate, x1 plus x2, and y1 plus y2. So sum of x coordinates of P and B divided by 2. So 2, this is x coordinate of P, and x coordinate of B is minus 2 divided by 2. Similarly, sum of y coordinates divided by 2. Here y coordinates of point P is minus 5 by 3 plus y coordinates of point B is minus 3 divided by 2. Simplify it, we'll get the coordinates of point Q here. So this is, first is 0 plus 2 minus 2, 0, and another is minus 5 minus 9 divided by 6. This is equal to 0 and minus 14 divided by 6, and this is equal to 0 and minus 7 by 3. This is the second answer. This is first answer, this is second answer. Coordinates of first point means coordinates of P, and this is coordinates of Q. So we can find out the required coordinates trisecting line segment very easily. Got it? Very important questions. So hope you are enjoying these videos. So your likes are most welcome. Wish you all the best.